So here we are at BlinQ, Blink, whatever you want to call it, right? Blink.me. So, and we will click on create your card. All right, we have three options here: company logo, profile picture, and cover photo. So let's click on company logo and we'll click on browse. Okay, find your logo on your computer. You can double click or click on upload. I'm going to click on upload, and here we go. It looks kind of cropping at the bottom here. I'm going to press minus to bring it back. Okay, there we go. That looks good. Or you can click, hold, and drag. It's really up to you. All right, I like it there. Click save. Okay, next I will click on profile picture, browse. I'll find my photo and I will double click on it this time. That looks good. Save. And then cover photo. It's totally up to you if you want cover photo or not. I like having something in the background, so I'm gonna select one. Browse. So this is my background cover photo. I'm gonna double click on this one, and that's fine. Save. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. Now we can click on change layout. I'll click on change layout, and we'll go to the left. Right, here's the different layouts you have. All right, totally up to you which one you like to select. I like this one. It's suggested on it. Okay, so click save, and now we enter our information, your personal information, your general information, social media, so on. So let's enter name. All right, so Kamal Deep, last name Singh, save. Next we go job title. I like using realtor. Okay, and I want to use the R in a circle symbol. Okay, so you will search, so I'll search realtor emoji, and very first one. All right, we'll click on that, and here we go. I'm just going to click on this one, right? Come back, and I'm going to press Command V to paste it. If you want PCs, it's going to be Control V. All right, click save. Department, no, nothing. Company name, I'm going to use so company. I'm with the XP Realty in Ontario. So Ontario, we have to use word brokerage. You might not have to, so enter your brokerage name here. Click save. You can enter any of this information. Maybe you want to enter, maybe you have a headline that you like to use, right? I like using real estate, real simple, right? So if you have a tagline, you can enter that here, click save. If you make a mistake and you need to make a change, just go on the item and click on this pencil icon, and now we can change it. Make the change, click save. Okay, so next I'll enter email. All right, and next is a label. Now this is optional. There's already two there, work, personal, and you can even make your own, right? Let's say I want to say test, and there you go. See a test, it comes there. But let's use work here. So I'm going to say work, click save. Okay, next one is phone. Okay, and we can choose a label. So let's say mobile and save. All right. And anytime, let's say you want the phone to be on the top. So just right here, see these 6 dots, and your cursor kind of changes to a hand. So click, hold, and go, just drag it up, right? Just in case. Okay, and next one, company URL. All right, title. So you can say visit our website, but I like showing a website address. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, click save. Next we'll enter social media, let's enter Instagram first. I'm going to click on Instagram, and it's saying enter username. So after the @ okay, so this is not going to be your full link, so do not enter instagram.com/something. So we're looking for a handle, just @ and your username. So here's example. We're only going to use 1379 words. That is your username. So if you go to your Instagram profile, you're going to see that on the top left corner. That's your username, and that's what we're going to enter here. 1379 words. Okay, for title, I will use follow me on Instagram. All right, or you can choose your handle. It's totally up to you. Click save. And now we'll enter Facebook. Now for Facebook, see, it's already said facebook.com/. So we're looking for whatever is after the slash. So here's a my page example. All right, so just click on your address bar and you'll see this. And we're going to enter whatever is after the slash. Same thing for Facebook page. I have 1379 words, so I will enter that here. Okay, for title, friend me on Facebook. That's fine. Click save. So you can keep on clicking on these, and so let's say you want to enter X, enter that in there, LinkedIn. So keep on following this, keep on entering your social media and clicking save. Anything you want to delete, you can just click on it and then click this trash can. Okay, and remove. Click on edit, trash can, remove. All right. And if you want to change the color of these icons, like how I have blue thing going on, so I'm going to select blue here, and that will change the color. So I'm going to click next, and here we will create our account now. Okay, and I'm just going to enter a password. Okay, I'm going to create my password, click sign up, and there we go. So our BlinQ.me business card is ready to use. Here's your QR code, and I'm going to click on go to dashboard. This is how the dashboard gonna look like. And whenever I want to make a change, I select my card and click edit. All right, and here we go. Now I can make my change and then click save. All right, I'm going to click on this card changes. And also you can click on card plus. All right, and who is this card for? You can say me. Okay, I'm not going to enter anything else. I just want to show you that you can have more than one card. Free account, I think, allows 2 cards, right? So I'll click on create. So here we go. Right now I'm seeing card 01, which is this one, and then I have work, right? So maybe you want to have 2 cards, one for your business and one personal. So it allows you to have 2. See, now if we go cards and see plus has a crown on it, that means we need to upgrade our account. Okay. And by clicking on this share card, you can download your QR code. And this is your link for this card and different ways you can share by email, message, or LinkedIn. Okay.